In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a spell check using the Tools menu. By the end, you'll feel confident catching typos quickly and deciding what to fix, what to skip, and what to keep for next time. Start by bringing your attention to the very top of your document window, where the main menus live. Look for the Tools menu along the row near options like File and Edit. Click Tools to open it. This is where many helpful features are tucked away, including the spell checker you'll use to review your writing. Now move your pointer to the spelling option inside the Tools menu. Instead of clicking right away, simply hover over Spelling. When you hover, a small submenu appears, revealing more specific choices. From that submenu, click Spell Check. This action launches the checker and prepares your document for review. You'll notice a small box appear in the top right corner of your screen. This is the Spell Check panel. It will highlight one suggested correction at a time so you can move through your work without losing your place. Take a moment to read what it suggests and how it differs from the word in your document. When the panel presents a word it thinks is misspelled, you have three clear choices. Click Change if the suggestion is correct and you want to fix the word immediately. This replaces the highlighted text with the recommended spelling and moves you to the next item. Click. Ignore if you're confident the word is fine as is, or if the suggestion doesn't fit the context. Ignoring simply skips that instance and continues the scan. Finally, click Add to Dictionary if the word is a proper name, a brand, an acronym, or a term you use frequently and you don't want it flagged as a mistake in the future. Adding to your dictionary teaches the spell checker that this word is valid for you, so use it thoughtfully and only for words you trust. Work through the panel at a comfortable pace. The goal is accuracy, not speed. If the checker doesn't find anything else, the panel will let you know you're done and you can close it. If it does find more items, continue choosing Change, Ignore, or Add to Dictionary until the list is complete. That's the whole workflow. Tools at the top, hover over Spelling, click Spell Check, then use the panel to decide between Change, Ignore, or Add to Dictionary. Make this a habit before sharing or submitting your work, and you'll keep your writing polished and professional.